Good afternoon everyone. So you join me at Flotterstone's Waterfall, another Friday night wild camp. So I'm in the Vango Nevis 100 tonight. I thought I would mix up and go in this wee tent again. It's a tent that's featured a lot on my channel, especially on the walks. But I thought I would bring it back out since I've been in the Helm 1 and the Berghouse Peak recently. So I'm on my own again, but I'm hoping to get some nice photography tonight. The sky's supposed to clear up at about 7 o'clock. By then it'll be pitch dark. And yeah, I'll take a wee walk over to the waterfall, and yeah, I'm going to get some nice films, hopefully the waterfall, and some nice photos of it as well. So I've got about an hour until it's dark. I'll get a bite to eat as well once I've done a wee bit of filming over there, and then once I finish having a bite to eat, it should be dark. So I'm looking forward to this one, that's for sure. And yeah, we'll just see what the night brings. So I forgot to bring my walking boots. Can't believe it. Opened the car, the boot, where I usually keep them, and for the second week in a row I forgot to lift them from the house. So I'm wearing trainers, and it just reminds me of those people that tried to hike up Ben Nevis last week in trainers during Storm Kira. But I'm not quite up Ben Nevis at least, I'm by a waterfall which is basically ground level, so it's not too bad. Just going to be a bit of a pain in the blooming arse when I get back to the car with dirty trainers and then get my car all mocket. And the worst thing is I can't even clean it because it's to be Storm Dennis Ramada. But the good news is the weather's to be fine tonight, like I've said. I think I can't remember if I said it, whatever. The skies are meant to clear, but it just seems to be getting cloudier. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you know I forgot my boots, which is really annoying. But anyway, I'm going to get down there now. It's another half an hour of daylight, so I'll get that out of the way, and then hopefully the sky does clear, so I think I can get some nighttime photography. That waterfall, I think. We'll see what happens though. I just hope the clouds clear. If the clouds clear, I'll be really happy. So that's me in the tent. I'm just chilling out. I've been in the tent about an hour or so. So the plan for tonight now is, of course I want to still do nighttime photography, but the clear skies are meant to come out about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock tonight. That's when the clouds are meant to properly clear, according to the weather forecast anyway. So I'm just actually going to chill out and listen to my Friday night show that I've not really listened to in recent camps, but I'm actually going to just sit in the tent and just chill out and just listen to that. And then probably around about 10 o'clock tonight I'll jump at the tent and see if the skies are actually clear. I think I will regularly check though. If we get a clear spell I might take the GoPro out and get some nighttime photography, but the battery's quite low right now, so I'm going to change out the batteries as well and put a fresh battery in the GoPro before I go out. So yeah, that's really my plans for tonight. Listen to the radio, then get some nighttime photography. So it's quite a chilled out camp tonight. Nothing really much going on in terms of filming wise, but sometimes you just need a wee bit of a chill out night with the camera away. I think that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, I'll put some photos of the photography as well in the video, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So that's me packed away everything inside the tent. As you see, it's a wee bit more daylight now, so that was kind of the plan anyway, to kind of pack away the tent when it started to brighten up a wee bit. So yeah, it's about 7:45 now. The rain's due in the next hour or so, so yeah, I'm just going to get home and pack everything away. So yeah, this is kind of the area I was in anyway. There's actually still a bit of ice from the snow earlier in the week. I'm gutted I didn't get a snow camp, that's what I was really wanting, but yeah, this is a nice wee area anyway, and yeah, just something a wee bit different. So that's everything packed away, with the exception of the tripod and the GoPro, which I'm currently obviously using right now. So yeah, no trace as always, you know, everything's on that log. All the stuff that I'm taking back. Of course there's no bins here, which is annoying. I was hoping we had bin or something here, but so yeah, that's it. Another camping trip done and dusted for another week, I suppose. Yeah, something a wee bit different, and I really enjoyed it for sure. You've got to mix it up sometimes and try new things, and it's not the sort of place you would expect me to come. Although I'm kind of in the woods, it's not really the sort of place you would probably see me. I'm more into the lochs and the reservoirs, and of course the hills as well. But like I said, go and mix it up sometimes, and that's what I've just did for this trip. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this wee video. I didn't really record much. It's not really the most exciting of trips compared to last week's anyway. But yep, a nice wee easy trip for sure. And yeah, I'm about to head to the car, and looks like I'm going to beat the rain hopefully. That is the plan anyway. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you all next week.